watching the Purpose Academy.
Here is an express road 2x2 segregated by a central reserve. So the maximum speed normally here is 120, and I am around Charleroi, which is the region of Wallon. But now I've been given a speed limit of 70 instead of 120. I have no option than to obey. I'm obliged to go to the left lane because the right lane is closing. The lane closure. So as you can see, I am here on the left lane and the left lane is closed. Now it's another runabout and we are all waiting for our turn. The car in front is waiting because at the runabout you must always give way to all road users. I stopped to give way to the truck carrying many cars, and other cars are coming still from my left, so I must give way to all of them. Now it's okay, I can move. I'm leaving the runabout, so I show indicator. It's a maneuver, so I must give way to anyone crossing the road, but there's no one at this moment. Remember that. As I said, this is express road segregated by a central reserve. You see 2 lanes, 2 this way, 2 the other side, and the middle you cannot easily go. But I have been restricted to drive 90 here instead of 120. The restriction is there. If no restriction, then it's 120. Now even there is a restriction here to say I should drive 50 here. So remember, anytime. Now I'm entering the motorway. You see the sign is there. Very good. Motorway. It's a straight 1-lane road, but it's called motorway. I've already passed the sign, so I'm on the motorway. If you pass the sign, you are still on the motorway. Now the broken line is on my side here, and the big arrows are leading me to the left lane, so I join the left lane now. What is the name of that lane on my right where I was? It's called acceleration lane. Acceleration. You accelerate there. You drive very fast so that you can enter the main motorway. So that's a motorway now. It's no more, even though it's 2 lanes segregated by a verge, but because of the signboard which was there before we entered, it means it's motorway. So I'm driving on a motorway from Charleroi back to Brussels, and it is 2 lanes, 2 here and 2 at the other side. The left far road here or lane here is called overtaking lane. So you see Proximo's car is using it to overtake me. I'm driving on a drive lane with my speed of 110, and those who are driving 120 will overtake me from the left. This car is about to enter the motorway. You see we have the big arrows there for him to come, so I must go fast so that he can get opportunity to enter behind me. This is A54. It's a motorway leading from one one city to another. So it's an intercity motorway, A54. Intercity, that's why the color is black. The international one, the color is green, but local motorway or highway is black color on the white plate. Remember that. You see broken lines on my right, so those from my right can join the main motorway, but I cannot go to the other side. Remember that. You can only go to that side if you overtake. But in this situation, it's not a matter of overtaking. If you overtake, then you can go back to the other side. If you want more information on how to drive in Belgium successfully and to pass your test as well, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Purpose Academy Driving. You will get more videos that will educate you to pass your theory and also to pass your practical exams. See you at the other side.